Want to start using the Focus Friend app to help you stop overusing your phone and stay focused on being productive? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Focus Friend app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Focus Friend, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Focus Friend in the search bar. Tap Focus Friend when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Focus Friend app. That's all it takes to download Focus Friend. Want to learn how to use the focus mode settings on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.